All right, y'all. So as you can see, this has been one of our catch-all rooms for about the last 2 months. This is actually my husband's, like, he calls it his back cave or his getaway room, just when he wants to breath the fresh air away from me. But I have kind of taken over and kind of just set up shop in here for like my craft stuff, because one of our rooms is going to be going through renovations, and that's going to be my craft room. So today's job is to kind of get this room back in order, because honestly, I have gotten to the point where I am sick of it looking like this. So we are going to do a clean with me today and get this room in order. I hope you stay along, stay tuned to see the final result. Done. It looks so much better than what it did when it was a catch-all space. But this is it as of now. I do need to find a table to put this printer on. My little craft spot here will move out the way as soon as we can get our room done. And then I'll put him like a bar there with the refrigerator. This is the rug. I got that rug from Walmart today. It was $40. This was a quick little DIY that I did with some Dollar Tree items. It cost about $6 to make. And then these pillows we've already had. I just got them out of a room, our pillow room that I have downstairs. Just refreshed them from another room that we've already done. And my husband's a Mississippi State fan, so of course his stuff is up there. He does have a chair at Mississippi State. I am an Alabama fan, Roll Tide. And then he has some of his hats up here. He's an Alpha as well. So that hat's hanging, plus another Mississippi State hat. And then we have the TV. That chair is just what I'm gonna use when I do my craft stuff. And so he is a big Marvel fan. We're gonna add some more stuff on the walls when our favorite stores open back up, Ross, TJ Maxx, all that kind of stuff. Then we have some more that's him when he was in high school, and then that's his uncle there. And that's pretty much it, but yeah, he already came home and he saw it, and he's so glad that it is clean and back to a space where he can lounge. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and or subscribe. Hope you all have a great day.